Hi guys, welcome to Program Base. This is the programming of input 3 numbers and display the greatest number. That means the user will input 3 numbers and the program will find the largest number. First of all, we need to create a class for that. So public class, we can take greatest as the class name. Public is the access specifier and greatest is the class name. Now the curly braces will be start for the class. Now we have to declare the main method to run the entire program. The main method will be written like public static void main string arg s. In this line, each and every word has a meaning. That means the public is the access specifier which will provide the information that the program is publicly accessible by all. The static is a keyword which means that the main method do not have to declare or generate any kind of object before calling it. Void is the return type of main method and string args is the argument list. Now the curly braces has start here. Now we have to give 3 variables to create input by the user. To generate this, at first we need to create the import java.util.star. So we need to write at the very beginning that import java.util.star. This is the library or the package of Java which can help us to access all the library functions. Now we have to take the input variables, that is int a, b and c. I am taking here for giving the input of numbers, and other 2 variables, that is d and suppose p for generating and calculating the output. Now we have to create a space and as well as a message for the user, so we need to use the println statement for that. Now system.out.println, we can write the message for the user, so it can be enter 3 numbers. From this message, the user will get to know that they have to enter 3 numbers in A, B and C. With the help of the A, B, C, we will create some space to the user. Now we have to generate the scanner class before creating the space for 3 input variables. The scanner class is generated like scanner sc. Sc is the object is equals to new scanner system.in. Scanner class generate the object sc with the new operator for the input of the system. After that, the space will be created for A, B and C. How? We can create with the help of object created by the scanner class, that is sc. That means we have to write A equals to sc dot next int, because it's an integer, so next int method will be used here with dot operator with the help of object sc. Likewise, A and B will be the same thing. B equals to sc dot next int and again C equals to sc dot next int. So the user will get the A, B, C variable as the space for the 3 inputs. C equals to sc dot next int, the last line for the last input. Now after the space creation, we need to do the calculation. How? D equals to math.max. Math.max is a library function which one is used for the calculating the maximum value between 2 variables. So D equals to math.max a comma b means the greatest of A or B will be generated and stored in D. Now we can compare the D with C. So the P variable, which will be the final output, that will be P equals to math.max. In bracket we have to write C comma D or D comma C. So which will decide that the C or D, which one is the larger one. Now after we are getting the final output in P, we have to print P. So again the print statement, that is system dot out dot println, in bracket we can write in double quotes a message which will be shown at the time of output, that is greatest number, and after the double quotes complete we can write plus P, which will show the output. So the message will show and the output, and we need to complete the curly braces for main and as well as for the class. Thank you guys. Subscribe in this.